What's the meaning of bunk bed? Bunk bed. Bunk bed.
Bunk bed. Bunk bed. A bunk bed is a type of bed that consists of two or more mattresses stacked one on top of the other. The beds are supported by a frame, which may be made from wood, metal, or plastic. Bunk beds are commonly used in situations where space is limited, such as in children's bedrooms or college dormitories. They can also be used in military barracks and other communal living spaces. Bunk beds come in a variety of styles and sizes, and may include built-in features like storage drawers or study areas. Overall, bunk beds are a practical and space-saving solution for shared sleeping arrangements.